And in the continuation, we want to model these cables. Watch this. We should connect the cables to the two parts of the lighting fixtures here in the plan view. We should add these cables. So for this part, let me see, in the left view, wireframe visual style, right here I select revolve, and then I draw these lines, pick line, then a line, Control Z at the exterior edge. I continue, and also a line here. I trim and extend to close the profile. Then I add fillet at the corners, axis line at the center like this way, and finish. Check it out. Let's watch this in the plan view, that if I make a copy out of it, rotate, copy and place, watch this exactly at the center, then I want to place the other one and then mirror to the other side. Then let's check it out in the 3D view by this way. Watch this. Then let me check the details in 3D Max. No, they are the same. Wonderful. Again, we get back to the front or top view. After that, left, I pick sweep, sketch path, line, then I draw the path from the center. I extend it to the end like this way, then I draw the line like this way, and then clicking on finish, edit profile, I'll draw a circle here. I type visible to graphic to show the imported file here. Then I reduce the radius to, then opening the left view, let me check, 1.8, 1.7. Great, the radius actually of the diameter should be 1.7. Then opening the plan view, I select rotate, copy and place in relation to this central line. Then I make a copy out of it and place it there. Then mirror, and as these elements and geometries are going to be fixed, we can easily model them without associating parameters and adding dimension lines. Then we get back to the top view for this part. However, here you may find this complicated since we cannot draw something in Z direction, but we can use sweep blend. Let's see. Cancel. Firstly, I open the front view, and then I want to let me see. As you can see, it starts from the edge. So let me open the plan view, front. I want to assign a name for the reference plane and convert it to a work plane, bottom. Then here in the plan view, I select sweep plan, the sketch path. Then I set the work plane on bottom. Afterwards, using SP line, I started from this part. Watch this, like this way. I continue. Check it out. I draw it like this way, hypothetically, and then we'll check it out. Then I move the control points to revise the path, like this way. Watch this, okay. And let me adjust this, make it smooth to make it align with the other curve by this way. Done. After drawing this, I open the front view. Then I click on finish, select profile, edit profile. Then I draw a circle right here. I should draw it here, 1.8. Then selecting profile 2 at the top. I should draw it right here. Let me see. 1 point. Let me check it out. Finish. Watch this. This is the result. However, they are not similar to each other, but it is acceptable. As you can see, their heights are not the same, but they are aligned in the plan view. Let us edit this. Edit profile 2. I can move it downwards. On opening the front view, let me see. I move it downwards. I position it here, and I reduce the size. Finish to save the changes, like this way. And then we can use another line to connect it to the center. However, the previous one was accepted, okay? Finish. Check it out. Or let me move it downwards a little bit. For instance here, 1.8. Finish. Then let's check it out. Here is the result. So we modeled this. Then I want to select the imported file, and then I delete it, unpin. Here is what we have modeled. And after doing this, it's time to specifying the materials in the next lesson.